Hi, welcome to Tech Talk Monday. My name is Vicki Brenner. I'm a library technician with Oxford County Library. I'd like to share with you today a resource that may be of interest to students in the family. It is called Ontario ExamBank. It is a free resource that is a perk of having an Oxford County Library card. So I'd like to share with you today how to access the resource right from the library website. I'm hovering over eLibrary, and I'm just going to look at all of our databases and subscriptions. I'm going to follow along to our For Kids section. And you can see here we have a bit of information about Ontario ExamBank. The library has purchased a subscription for our people to use. So you will need to log in and authenticate yourself with the username Oxford County Password Library. So let's take a look and see what that looks like. Get started on Ontario ExamBank. This is brought to you by Canadian teachers. They have written these tests. There's over 125,000 tests available that directly correlate to Ontario school curriculum. We are offering our library patrons practice tests from K to grade 12. So it's a great opportunity over the summer to sort of discover what knowledge you've retained from the previous school year and prepare yourself for the coming school year in September. What I would suggest is completely ignore what happens in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This is not where you're going to authenticate yourself. These are for paid subscribers only. So just looking a little bit about what ExamBank offers. So as I said, aligned to the curriculum, you get instant results on your practice tests. And with some of the higher grade levels, you get feedback on explanations. Why was your answer incorrect, etc. You can view your stats, share your results with your parents, etc. Okay, let's look at a practice test. Let's look at grade 2, and you can see English and French tests. Great for our French immersion people. Let's look at a language test. So you can see randomized tests. So you can take these language tests, randomized from 90 tests overall. I should mention, this is exactly where you'll get the pop-up. You need to authenticate yourself as a library user. Oxford County Password Library. Ticking the box, you won't have to log in again on this device. So we're jumping right into our test. I'm just going to wing through here so we get our results. There's helpful images to sort of illustrate what is being asked for the student to do. So it's just that easy, and submit will get this test marked immediately, giving you the percentage correct, and you'll be able to walk through it again and see where your results can be improved. So looking at a grade 12 test selection, you can see the subject areas covered are much more diverse in the higher grades. So I invite you students and families to explore Ontario ExamBank and see where you can improve your studies this summer and prepare yourself for September. So thank you for joining me today for another Tech Talk Monday.